Monday, 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 Monday. Bo, have you seen Graydon? Is he in here hiding? Oh, he's in here editing the video. Graydon, looking for a timesheet for Gabriel. We need to get that boy paid. We can get him paid on Friday. You got a timesheet?
Somewhere in here with all my papers all over my desk.
Alrighty, and get that done. And I got to get in here and talk to the girls in the office. Come on, Bo. Let's take a look and see what's going on in here. Gary, you just texted me about winterization for tomorrow because the customer has a leak and then he wants to get serviced.
I think she just wants it closed because her water bill is really high, so.
Her water bill is very high.
Yeah.
Well, we should help her.
So she just said she wanted the leak service.
Okay, so she has a leak in the lawn sprinkler system?
Yes.
Oh, that's really early for winterization. But if that's what she wants.
Maybe she's not using it as much as she thought she would.
Interesting, interesting. We got an installation coming up. This is sold, and then she just has some questions.
Yeah, because they
But the
I guess
design-
they had some plants put in back by the
Okay,
fence there.
some new plantings. Alrighty. And what else is going on? What other questions you might have, young lady? Okay, so I see the new plantings going here. That was good. She sent that in.
Yeah, and then there's the black marks they said are, I guess, green-ish.
I was getting people's attention for the upcoming fall seeding season. That it's a good time now if they haven't been paying attention to their lawn sprinkler or their system. You know, more than 7 years old.
Right.
It'd be time to upgrade their lawn sprinkler system for the fall season.
His
Spring's the
was-
second best, but the fall now, from the end of August to the 1st of October, is the best time for seeding. If you get calls about that today, that's why.
Okay.
Right? Apparently we're
Well, I
having
mean, color of the
camera
lights.
difficulties. Life of a contractor is never boring. There's always something going on. Crazy. Graydon, you ready to go?
Yes,
We're
sir.
gonna get out here and get to the bottom of what's going on.
Sounds good.
What you got? What are you working on?
Looking at future lighting project.
Future lighting projects. Future meaning this week, next week.
The 16th, this Friday or next Monday. Can't remember.
Caitlin, you on the phone? 16th. What day is the 16th? That would be next Tuesday. Well, he went to Southern High School, so his calendar skills are obviously not the best. Christmas lighting coming up, and I saw something in the rack on Saturday. This is 900 strands. This is for City of Westminster. We're scheduled this for the end of October because they are having their big parade. I know it's still late summer or summer, but we got to get ready for upcoming holiday lighting season. All right, come on, let's go. All right, hey, you ready to shoot some ads out front? Come on, let's get that done.
Nope, we're not ready.
Fog up.
Fogging up.
Human out.
Try again.
All right, let's get out front here. We're gonna shoot some ads.
Come on, come on. Come on.
Is that your pet?
Yeah, my pet groundhog. No, I agree. It's too much going on, you know? Absolutely. The other day, he wasn't pointing fingers either. He was, I need your help. So we get down there to help on that. I get down there because I want to figure out what's going on with the water fountain and the timing and the drains and everything going on. And then we spend all our energy trying to get back to where we were, you know, to help him and obviously for the community. Where is this at specifically, Joe? You know? Oh, yeah. Well, that's because that drain is still hung up. Yep. You're right. Okay, we'll get that done. Because that guy said he had drained that when he was putting that piece in a couple weeks ago, or that light or something, remember? Okay, we'll get down there tomorrow on that subject. Oh, so what's going on, Juan?
Ain't nothing much, Mr. Bob.
Bring us down some product today?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. We appreciate you, Juan.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much.
Everything else going out back?
Yeah, that's our 200 feet pipe.
Okay.
Right, that's our pipe.
Yes, sir.
All right, let's get back in here. We're going to check out that video. Let's take a look at what you got here, bud.
Hey, Bob Marty here, TLC. Want to introduce our TLC Referral Program. Refer TLC to your friends, your neighbor, your co-workers, and we'll send you a $250 gift card for every installation.
I like that. This was an ad that you and Gabriel were working on Friday? You finished up this morning?
For every referral. Give us a call at the office for more information, 410-721-2342, or hit the link below. And we appreciate you and earn $250 from a simple referral to a neighbor, friend, or coworker.
What do you think, Mr. Bo? Think it's fine? Huh? What do you think? We're heading out back here. We're going to unload some drainage pipe that just arrived for a job for tomorrow. I think it's actually later this week.
I can't hear you.
Can't hear me? Come on.
What
We're
we
going to go
doing?
over here and see what's going on here.
You say he's laying the pipe?
He's unloading the pipe.
He's unloading his pipe. Very good.
You said they
they charge 400.
Didn't you bring pipe down on Friday?
No, sir.
Oh, I saw you at back and I told Graydon that you delivered pipe.
No, not on Friday.
You loaded this by hand, Juan, or you
Yes,
used
sir.
the forklift?
By hand.
Did you?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Appreciate you.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Gotta watch his character. Gotta watch his character. Highly educated. You know what they say about that, huh?
They don't tell you at Harvard. Watch out, you know.
Hey, we're heading to Ellicott City. We're installing a pumping system for a client in Ellicott City. And it's gonna feed his lawn sprinkler system from a pond that's fresh water from behind his house. Come along. Driver, are we ready?
Yes, sir.
We're ready to go, sir? Said I wish we had one of them electronic gators with a little motor on the back we could have going out here today. Scared the hell out of these two guys. One time Edwin went out there, and I think Edwin, they were down in his underwear, wasn't he? Cutting off some of the float so we can get this pump to drop below the surface.
Still have that piece we can use.
Yeah, you can always go back
Oh,
to
yeah,
it.
you're right.
There's 4 up in there. They were doing the nasty in the water.
Are they trying again, Bob?
Yes, sir. We're going to go out and regroup. We've cut some of the float material off, and we're going to see if we can get this pump to submerge about a foot, foot and a half, 2 feet at the most underneath the surface of the water. The water's about 6 foot deep. This is take 2 on this. We attempted this the first time, and we couldn't get the pump to get below the surface. So we've cut some in the float so we can get more of a drop on this. We can get it down below the surface system.
Yeah, you can't see it, so I'd say it went under.
That's a pretty good deduction. Harvard education kicked in on that one.
Exactly.
Magical.
Told you.
Yeah, once we get water in that, some of it should go down. Piece of half inch.
Fill it with water maybe and give it a
Well, we're
try.
gonna have to.
I think it's out far enough though.
Well, we sent a couple guys up to help him with the hose.
Well, he wants to put it in there and see if it'll sink.
Yeah, well, we got to prime it.
So we need to take that one, Felix, come up 90 here. And we'll have to mount this.
Shut off.
It's off. It's thrown up. I mean, the only thing we could do is take these 2 off and see which one has power.
But it definitely wasn't sucking water. It would definitely be moving if it was.
Prime and it kicks, you can hear it go whomp.
And the foot valve was correct.
That pump's running though, so.
But a pump will run even if it's reversed.
Pump's not working.
Right?
Don't know why yet. Trying to figure that out.
Got 2 girls in Felix here. It'd be definitely.
Ready?
Yeah,
you already did it.
It's working okay. Nothing yet. We're going to disconnect the intake actually. We're going to put a shorter piece of pipe on here to test this without a foot valve to see if we have a problem with the foot valve, and then we'll refire this up. Paul was bored today. He said, hey, bring some guys over and gals and hang out with me today. I said, okay. I think I got hoodwinked into this deal. I'm going to talk to his wife tonight about this situation. All kidding aside, Paul feeds his lawn sprinkler from this body of water here out of this pond. It's worked good for years, and a lot of algae growing now, so we're going to try to help him with a different type of pump. A happy Felix is a good Felix. Turn right off. Turn right off.
Yeah, it kicked off.
There it goes. There it goes. Now it's on, Paul. It's on now. Nothing there, Felix, at all? You can't even feel it sucking?
Usually when that kicks in, you can hear the difference
my
big
God.
time. It's like, wow.
So
Weird.
it's not pulling anything.
No.
No. I started to.
Now you hear it. See it here now? It's definitely trying to pump now. Okay,
Yeah.
Felix, this will be a job till you retire. You got to stay in Paul's pond 24/7.
Getting some anyway. Better than it was.
Remember that time we were out in the rain? We were out in the rain at Coons Ford. You had a fit. Take me home right now. I need to pry this camera off.
Not what I
You know,
said.
these are $5 million cameras with these conic lenses in them.
That's not what I said.
He didn't talk to me for 3 hours. We're getting air out of it. It was a lot of, probably 100 feet of pipe we need to check. Now you got it. Now you're building it. But we got to get air out of that holding tank up there. Leave that tank out, Gary. With a piece of pipe like that, it's fairly flat. It needs to be down a little bit further. And we'll have it down in a couple minutes when we put some blocks on it. This finishes up another episode of Life of a Contractor. And we'll talk to you next week. If you like this, hit the like button. Like. Hit the subscribe if you're not a subscriber. And we'll see you next week on another episode.
Subscribe, like, now.